Number 1. Try a new recipe. It means to attempt to cook something using a set of instructions you haven't used before.
Tonight, I'm going to try a new recipe for dinner. Tonight, I'm going to try a new recipe for dinner. He tried a new recipe and it was delicious. He tried a new recipe and it was delicious. They love trying new recipes on weekends. They love trying new recipes on weekends.
Number 2. Try out for. It means to attempt to join a team, group, or activity.
She's going to try out for the school play. She's going to try out for the school play. He tried out for the basketball team yesterday. He tried out for the basketball team yesterday. Many students will try out for the choir. Many students will try out for the choir.
Number 3. Turn gold, red, white. It means to change color, typically used for leaves in the fall or hair in response to age or fear.
The leaves turn gold and red in autumn. The leaves turn gold and red in autumn. His hair started to turn white as he aged. His hair started to turn white as he aged. She saw the leaves turn red outside her window. She saw the leaves turn red outside her window.
Number 4. Pay attention to. It means to focus or concentrate on something.
Please pay attention to the teacher. Please pay attention to the teacher. You need to pay attention to the road signs. You need to pay attention to the road signs. He paid attention to the cooking instructions carefully. He paid attention to the cooking instructions carefully.
Number 5. A compliment. It means to give someone praise or express admiration.
She paid him a compliment on his artwork. She paid him a compliment on his artwork. It's nice to pay a compliment when someone looks nice. It's nice to pay a compliment when someone looks nice. He felt good when his boss paid him a compliment. He felt good when his boss paid him a compliment.